Hello, and thanks for joining the FrostySith channel today. If you haven't subscribed yet, take a minute and hit the subscribe button. This is the first Tuesday in March 2020, and this is the Teaser Tuesday. We are on our way to a trailhead and going to do some rucking this afternoon, probably about a 5K. But what we're really here to talk about is what's coming up on the FrostySith channel in March. And there are really four main things that we want to accomplish this month. Two of them are technology videos, and two of them are directly oriented to backcountry preparations for some of our trips coming up this spring and summer. So on the technology side, there's really part 3 of the ASUS Hyper M.2 X16 card video, which is almost done and ready to post, where we tested its performance against single NVMe drives, SSD drives, etc. And we'll talk all about that and whether or not you should invest in a RAID card for your NVMEs. And number 2 on the technology side would be the PINEPHONE. And so there'll be a video on the PINEPHONE coming out this month. And then on the backcountry side, we've got two main things that we want to accomplish. One is another installment of the Keto Trail Backpacking food series, and we've got several recipes that are in the works, but we'll definitely get at least one of those out on the site this month. And the fourth thing is new gear, and I do have some new gear, just got it in the mail, and we'll do an unboxing and introductory look at that, and then maybe do an actual shakedown for a trip that we've got planned here at the end of this month down at Elk City. So thanks for joining the FrostySith channel today for this Teaser Tuesday update. And if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the bell so that you get notifications when we add new content here on the channel. All right, thanks for joining, and remember, get up, get out, live a little. See ya.